Hello and welcome. In this particular video, we're going to learn how we can create a simple WordPress website using Thrive Suite. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So for this particular project, we are basically trying to create, or you can say revamp, a particular WordPress website. So let me show you the original website that we are having. This is the original website that we have to revamp, and currently this is using some theme named as Canteen, but we'll be revamping this particular website, and this is using Elementor plugin, Elementor page builder, but we'll be revamping it using Thrive Suite altogether. So the client has already purchased yearly membership for Thrive Suite, and the first thing that we need to do is to download this plugin. And we don't want to disturb the original website, so what we have done is we have created a clone of the original website on a subdomain, and we'll be creating this new website on that particular subdomain, which is new dot the actual domain. So now let's get started. We have to first install the plugin. So I have already installed the plugin, which is this one, Thrive Product Manager plugin. And once it is installed on your system, then you can go into the Product Manager section here. And from here, you can see there are loads of different tools that are provided under the umbrella of Thrive Themes, or I mean, it was earlier called as Thrive Themes, but now it is called as Thrive Suite. So that's why, sometimes you will hear from me Thrive Themes, but actually it's Thrive Suite now, and it contains all these particular products. So in order to create the new website, we'll need just two of them at the moment. So one is Thrive Architect and the second one is Thrive Theme Builder. I have installed both of them, and now we can go to our Thrive dashboard here. So on the Thrive dashboard, you can see here that it is giving different options here, but the ones that we need is we need to straight away go into the Thrive theme builder. So this is Thrive theme builder. Let's go and start creating the new website. So here you can see the Thrive theme builder being loading. And once it's loaded up here, then we'll get things started. So let's get started from here. So first thing, we need to upload our logo. So I'll upload the logo. Let me find the logo file from here. Since this is an old installation, so all the media files are inside this particular media folder only. So I'll not have to do the hard work of uploading all the files from my system. So the next step would be to go to the next step, choose and continue. And now it will ask us it is asking us for the brand color. So we can choose a main theme brand color. Let me check what theme color we are using on the previous website. So we have selected the color here just by, clicking on this particular icon, and we have pasted the hex code. Now we'll go to the next step, which is selecting the header style. So there are different header styles that are provided by this theme. So currently we have chosen this particular style, and if you want, you can always choose a different style. So if you click here, you will see a lot more options are available for making any particular selection, or you can choose any particular header with a call to action also. So we can change it anytime later. Currently we are going ahead with the default one, and the next step would be to move to the header section. So we can select a particular header style also, footer section. So let it load up. So this is how the footer will look like. Again, there are different customizations. You can select header or footer as per your choice. So suppose if we want to select this one, since this is a local business, so we can select this one also. It will start showing a lot of recent posts also, useful links. Or we can select maybe this one is also good. So you can change this later also. It's not essential that like you have to make a decision right away. So you can always make a like you can make changes later also. Since this is a local business, I'll select this one for right now, and then I'll move to the next step, which is selecting the homepage style. So there are three options. I can choose from the ready-made home pages, or display one of the existing pages, or display your blog as your homepage. So I'll go ahead and with the choose from ready-made home pages. Okay, so this is the ready-made home page that we are having, and again you can make any selections. So you can always go with different styles here. So this is for personal branding. For local business, you can select this one also, or this one also. You can go ahead with this one. And we are having a local business, so I'm thinking of changing the overall style. Let's go ahead with this one only. We can always make changes later, because right now I'm not having proper idea that how I should create the whole website. So I'll take ideas afterwards. Now here's the blog style, like how your blog should look like. So currently again I'm going again ahead with a normal routine design, but again you have got different styles here. You can select as per your comfort and choice, whatever suits you. So I can select this one also if I want a local option, since it's a local business. So I can select this one also, and this is how it will look like. Okay, so let's go ahead with choose and continue. And blog post list. So how should your blog post list should look like? So here's one of the style, which is grid layout without sidebar. Again, you can choose a lot more options also for your particular choice. I'll go ahead with the default and I'll click choose and continue. Now the page, default page, how should it look like? Again, there is different tons of options here. I'm going ahead with the normal one, but we can again make a lot more choices according to our comfort. We can make changes, we can choose other styles as per our requirements. Let's go ahead and choose and continue. Now here I'll select with the WordPress menu, because WordPress menus are easy to change later on. So I'll select activate menus on my site, and now my website is ready. So I can preview the website. Okay, so your basic website is ready, and now all you need to do is you need to make changes in the content part. And you can see here that it has taken the theme color that we had advised, that okay, like we want this particular theme color. So it has taken the default theme color, and now we can simply go ahead and make changes in the content. And in order to make changes in the content, you can simply select this option, edit with Thrive Architect. So if I select here edit with Thrive Architect, then it will give you ample options to make changes on your home page. So I'll show you, just give you a brief overview, since this is not a very detailed review of Thrive Suite, but I'll just give you a brief overview so that you get an idea. So Thrive Architect has loaded up properly, and you can see here that there are different sections, backgrounds and everything that I can edit. So for example, if I want to make any changes here, then we can, I can write down the name of the brand here, We Decorate Cakes. Okay, and I can write down anything as per my style. uh, so if I want to write down here bakery in Wildwood, Missouri, then I can select this one. I want to change this to Pacific. Okay, and accordingly you can make any changes in the content. If you want to bring any new section, you can always bring a new section also. Let me show you how you can do that. For example, if you want to add any new block here, so select block and it will give you a bundle of things that you can include. For example, if you want to include pricing tables, here they are. If you want to include listing content, here they are. If you want to include text or content blocks, you can do it. You can include stats if you want. You can include your team members, you can show them. You can include FAQ sections. You can include the different steps that are involved. You can include CTAs. Ready to make, they are ready to use this pre-designed templates. Illustrate list benefits. If I want to show benefits, I can simply select this. Suppose I want to show this one, select this. It will be inserted within no time and it's ready to use on my website. Similarly, if I want to add any other block, I'll click on block here. I'll go to testimonials. I want to add testimonials. I'll select this one. It will be added to my website. If I want to show articles or latest articles that I have published, I can show them here. Select this one, latest articles. I think it's already there, so I did a copy. And now if I want to add any other block, for example, if I want to have a hero page, so I can change the main banner of my website. I can add a contact section. I can show a map. I can show a particular form, different ways. I can show a lot of things. Product highlights. If I want to show the product highlights, I can do that. About section, I can include it. So you can see there is ready to make things. And if I want to make any edits, I can always click on this plus icon, drag and drop things. For example, if I want to add any image here, so I'll select this one. I'll select the image. Now images are loading up a little bit. It takes time. Suppose if I want to add this particular image, let's select this vertical image and it is imported and ready to use on your website. So if you want to edit this image, you can always drag and drop simply from here. You can resize this image. So easy to use. You can remove this caption cake decorating. If you don't want, you can remove it. You can bring it to the center. If you want, go out here in the layout and position, bring it to the center. Okay, and you can increase or decrease the padding. Okay, you can increase or decrease the margin, internal margin, everything you can do. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to duplicate it, duplicate it. Okay, and if you want to save it, you can save it as a global section so that it can be used on other pages easily. Okay, similarly, and yes, one more thing, if you want to make a global change in the color section, so here you can see that it is showing you the default color that you have chosen. But suppose if I want to change the theme color altogether, I can choose this one and all my colors on the website will be changed automatically. So if I choose the palette color to be blue, all the colors are changed to blue. You can see here. Similarly, if I select shade of brown, then all the colors are changed to shades of brown. Okay, so any color you can change it and all over the website it will be changed for you. So style editor can be used, and I'll not go into the settings option. There is a lot of different stuff that you can do. And apart from that, one more thing before we leave, and this particular video you can have a lot more different elements that you can, building blocks that you can use. They're ready to use. For example, if I want to use any countdown timer, I can drag it here and it will show me the different templates that are available. For example, if I want to select this particular template, I'll select this one and it is inserted on my website within no time. I can make edits simply by selecting it and on the left hand side I can change the date and everything, all the details about this particular thing. And if I want to remove it, simply I'll select this bin icon and it's removed from my page altogether. So you can see how easy it is to make any changes or using Thrive Architect and using Thrive Suite. It becomes so easy to create a website, a new website. Within no time you can launch your landing pages and do a lot of stuff. So the link for Thrive Suite is in the description of this video. I would request you to use that link. That's an affiliate link, so that when you will use that particular link and make a purchase, and I'll also get a small commission, and you will get the Thrive Suite at the same rate. So don't worry about that. It's only that like I'm promoting it, so that's why they are giving me a little commission out of that particular promotion. And I have created tons of website using Thrive Suite till now, so the experience has been great. And I mean, this is my go-to you can say page builder for creating any website. This is my first priority that I always recommend to all my clients also. So that's it for today. I don't want to stretch this video too long, and the basic aim behind creating this video was to give you a minor introduction into the world of Thrive Suite and the latest innovation that has happened in the page builders things. Personally, I have used a lot of page builders, including Elementor, but the comfort and the ease that I find with Thrive Suite is not comparable to any of those available page builders, including ClickFunnels. So that's it for today. I think I hope that you loved watching this particular video, and you got to learn something new today. And do let me know if you like this video, and if you have got any doubts, do share your doubts, and I'll make sure to answer them all. So thanks for being with me. Take care.